Monday before going to work, got my hole fixed in my drywall. I was trying to get that desk in the house. It looks pretty good. The paint match, it's a quarter shade off. I believe it's because the fresh paint is clean. Rest of the walls, this house is 26 years old. It's original paint. It's got 26 years of dirt. Ceiling turned out okay. I wasn't real happy with that, but I wasn't totally displeased. I could have done a better job, but it's not worth going back and redoing. Behind the toolbox looks just as good as there by the doorbell button. So that's the shiny spot by the doorbell button is actually glare from the light. So we'll call that, good enough. Of course, I got a whole gallon of paint. I can see the spot that the paint's a little thin, so I can touch that up with a brush. But yeah, it's good until I repaint everything. I'm not in any hurry to do that. So use a little spray can texture stuff is okay. Texture is easy to make. You just get a small, for repair, a small sack of drywall mud, dry, and mix it up. And you can actually put it on with a high nap little mini roller, a little 3/8 or even a 1/2 inch nap wouldn't hurt. Basically just roll on the mud. It'll give you a nice orange peel finish. It doesn't take any kind of fancy equipment. But the spray can stuff was there. It was fairly cheap. So I just squirted some of that on there. But yeah, not totally displeased. Getting ready for another week of work at the factory. That's about all for this one. Thank you.